Supreme Court has made a scathing observation in the Swati Maliwal assault case. Supreme Court has said Bibhav, who was also taken into custody by the cops, remember, over the assault case because she had charged against him. Supreme Court has said Bibhav is not ashamed to misbehave with a woman. On what moral basis are you seeking the bail is what the top court is asking. This is in specific to Bibhav, who's been a very close aide and has been a personal assistant to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as well. The top court has said, will any Chief Minister's house staff testify? You had no authority to be at the Chief Minister's house and behave in such a manner. These are very strong remarks that are coming in from the court. Keep criminal actions away from politics. Srishti Ojha is joining me for the latest on that. Srishti, what are you picking up about what the court said? And at this point, because this looks like the court is also pulling up Bibhav in this case.
Well, definitely, Pooja, not just pulling up Vibhav Kumar. Court has made some really scathing observations against Vibhav and the manner in which this entire alleged incident took place. The court was hearing the bail plea, and this was the very first hearing, but we saw some really strong remarks coming from the top court, even when it was the first hearing, when Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi was trying to argue for bail for Vibhav Kumar, trying to take court through the facts of the case. The court clearly said that it is shocked by the manner in which things have happened in this case. The court pointed out that it's not about the injury or anything else in this particular case. The court does grant bail even in murder cases, but it's the manner in which this incident has taken place that has shocked the court. The court questioned that is the Chief Minister's bungalow exactly a private residence, and is the CM office required to keep such goons? Is that the way how things should happen at the Chief Minister's residence? Court said that it's shocked. Referring to the FIR and the allegations made by Swati Maliwal, the court also said that she did ask him to stop multiple times, but despite that, this man continued. The court in the remark that it seems like the power has gone in Vibhav Kumar's head in this particular case. Court has also said that he was his ex-secretary, had no business being present.
Okay. Srishti, keep updating us about what's unfolding in the Supreme Court, and the court is asking, is Bibhav not ashamed to allegedly misbehave with a woman, that too at the Chief Minister's house? As Srishti continues to be with us, Srishti, what precisely is the reason of the hearing today? Is it Bibhav applying for bail? How is this case going ahead?
No authority to be there, neither did he.
Yes, Srishti, go ahead, tell us, because what are you expecting from Bibhav's defense in this case? All right, we appear to have some audio issue here. We'll go across to Srishti in just a short while. That's the big news coming in from the Supreme Court. The court asking, does CM House need goons like Bibhav?